Everything has just been an amazing experience. This is the program to be at. This is where you can fail and get taught to do the right thing. The one-on-one teacher experience, you can't get anything better. Blackhawk is over the top as far as where you should come to get your welding training. It covers everything from interviews to the math part to the blueprints. It just all around, it covers every aspect of filling out the app to having a complete resume to actually going in and doing the job that you're trying to do. If it doesn't prepare you for a workplace, then I don't know what you were doing in this whole class. Everything that has been taught has put me in a mindset to where I'm ready for this job. I'm ready to go out and get a weld job. Like, there's nothing I can't do right now, and I'm just excited. Come to Blackhawk College. Don't go to any other training here in the Quad Cities. Blackhawk is the place to be at and learn and achieve your goals and to get that job that you're yearning for. I'm just ready to go above and beyond.